Welcome to IQRA Business School faculty at University Geomatika, Malaysia. We are a center of knowledge, innovation, and inspiration. Here, we don't just impart knowledge, we shape future leaders, stimulate creative thinking, and support your dreams. Our faculty is made up of experts in their respective fields, providing deep insight into multiple disciplines. We open the door to various educational opportunities from undergraduate to postgraduate level, including ODL.
This workshop format with mixed lectures and hands-on exercise is perfect. It keeps us engaged and allowed us to practice what we learned. Thank you very much.
The content of the workshop was incredibly relevant, and I learned valuable strategies to enhance my academic writing. Thank you.
University Geomatika is a great place to study. Come and register for your PhD at IQRA Business School and take the next step in your education journey. Thank you.
From this session, I learned how to structure my papers more effectively and how to incorporate citation properly, which will significantly improve my paper.
We encourage collaboration, creativity, and a spirit of learning throughout your educational journey. When you finish your studies here, you will be ready to face the challenging world with a clear vision and strong knowledge. Discover your potential. Join the IQRA Business School faculty at University Geomatika, Malaysia. Your future starts here. Let's make your dreams come true with us. University of Geomatika, Malaysia, providing academic excellence all the time.